We go through the big players in artificial intelligence across the globe in a short time, and we will discuss top 5 or 6 leaders and startups in the field of AI. Remember, the future is going to be AI. Subscribe the channel before we run through the slides for future notifications. Here are the list of top leaders in AI, that is Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, IBM Cloud, Microsoft Azure, Alibaba, and Facebook. The main reason why they are leaders is that they own a lot of data and provide a cloud services. As you can see how Amazon Echo and voice services are rooted in, that is text to speech, cloud services are the mainstreams for them. If you are interested, then create an AWS account and try the cloud service, then build AI services. Tell me who doesn't know about the Google, as these people are good at analytics and provide the services as required. The main strategy of Google are to acquire startups and pioneers of AI and move forward. You can create a Google account with a Colab and start working with a Google Notebook by writing a code for AI and execute it. IBM is a much bigger player. They have created a Watson tool wherein you can create an account and take the challenges for AI, like as of now, COVID and environmental challenges are up. Walk through how to use the tool and get started section of Watson's tool. IBM also follows the same strategy of acquisition. Microsoft is one of the major financial contributors for OpenAI. Basically, Microsoft provides business solutions and chatbots and works on all the three fields AI, ML, and DL models. As refer the link in link 1 video for the brief definition of AL and ML and DL. Alibaba Cloud Service is one more big player, provides more or less same solutions with the easy drag and drop components in its development tools. The question is these leaders are competitor to each other? Can't say. Who comes with what kind of solutions for global challenges? But how the market is growing and summed up in the description link too, and it also discusses top AI leaders, notable vendors, and pioneers. Surprisingly, the link 2 doesn't discuss about Facebook, thinking that it is only a consumer of AI technology. However, it can be considered as a big player of AI as it funds and has got a research center for AI. Facebook too owns tons of data and much more. Go through the all development avenues listed in the description link reference 3. If you find more, write in the comment section. We'll discuss on the block diagram how these big players achieve or sustain their positions. 1. They acquire the startups who have mastered AI and put the AI technology in the products. Secondly, they make a fundings, MOU, agreements, partnership, association with the research institutes, organizations, or partner with the educational institutes in turn to get the benefits. Let us see various fields where these big players and startups are working for AI implementation. One is healthcare, finance and insurance, transportation, construction, government and city planning, media entertainment, education, manufacturing warehouse, telecom, mining, energy, sales and CRM, cyber security, etc. 100 startups are listed by CB Insights in the reference link 4 in the description. Interested candidates can choose the appropriate category and startups in the field they are interested and study accordingly to plan for it. Subscribe the channel to know further on the development tools, programming resources for AI. Thank you.